People treat them like they were made of paper.
It's like my shotgun. Like that.
There you go.
Should be in there.
Now I'm going to take a video of the hole too, so you better hit it.
I don't think it's sighted in with these, but you should be on the paper there.
Oh, as long as it's on the paper.
Oh, the smell of gunpowder in the morning.
I like that smell.
A little practice, you'd be all right with it.
How do they,
You're cutting the bullseye.
cutting it so it's on the sheet at least?
You're about a quarter of an inch to the right from a perfect bull.
Okay, well that's not too bad for a first shot of something I've never shot before.
Not too bad. Hey, listen to this.
Not too bad. For the first one I hit the thing, I didn't hit the target the next...
Put a couple more through.
Okay.
We'll just see if that was luck or not.
Alright. Gotta get dressed for this.
Just slide it right in there.
Like this?
Yep. There you go.
Just one, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Right beside it. You got two holes touching there.